Samhita texts. Exploring the foundations of Vedic wisdom. The Samhita texts, forming the core of the Vedas, are repositories of ancient knowledge and spiritual insights. In this article, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of the distinct characteristics, themes, poetic beauty, and contributions of the four Samhita texts associated with each Veda: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. By delving into these foundational texts, we gain profound insights into the origins of Vedic wisdom. Brief overview. The Samhita texts represent the primary layer of the Vedas, composed of hymns, prayers, and mantras that capture the essence of ancient Indian spiritual thought. These texts reflect the deep reverence for the forces of nature, the divine, and the exploration of cosmic and philosophical truths. Each Veda, Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda, possesses its unique Samhita, offering a diverse range of insights and perspectives. Rig Veda Samhita. Elegance and devotion in poetry. The Rig Veda Samhita is celebrated for its rich poetic beauty and devotional hymns. Comprising over 1,000 hymns, it addresses deities associated with various aspects of life and nature. Themes encompass creation, cosmology, ritual, and the eternal quest for knowledge. The hymn to Agni, the fire deity, stands as a remarkable example of the fervent devotion and vivid imagery found within the Rig Veda Samhita. Samaveda Samhita. Melodies and chants in worship. The Samaveda Samhita is unique for its emphasis on melodic intonations and precise chanting. It consists of hymns adapted from the Rig Veda, but transformed into melodies for use in rituals. The text focuses on musical nuances and vibrations that invoke spiritual states. The Purusha Suktam, a hymn found in both the Rig Veda and the Samaveda, is a prime example of the blend of poetic beauty and ritual significance. Yajurveda Samhita. Rituals and ceremonies preserved. The Yajurveda Samhita provides the verses chanted during rituals and ceremonies, particularly those involving offerings and sacrifices. It is divided into two parts: the White Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda, and the Black Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda. The text guides priests in performing complex rituals with meticulous precision, reflecting the Vedic emphasis on proper pronunciation and ritualistic order. Atharvaveda Samhita. Mysticism and practical wisdom. The Atharvaveda Samhita is distinct for its focus on practical concerns, including healing, protection, and daily life matters. It incorporates both hymns and spells, addressing various aspects of human existence. While containing hymns similar to those found in other Vedas, the Atharvaveda offers a more pragmatic approach, catering to the diverse needs of society. Spiritual insights and cultural legacy. Across all four Vedas, the Samhita texts share common threads: devotion, reverence for nature, and the pursuit of knowledge. These texts serve as windows into the spiritual and cultural ethos of ancient India. The hymns provide glimpses into the interconnectedness of human life and the cosmos, underscoring the Vedic quest for understanding the divine order. Relevance today. The Samhita texts continue to inspire modern readers, scholars, and practitioners. Their poetic eloquence and spiritual insights transcend time, offering profound insights into the ancient wisdom of the Vedas. The reverence for nature, the exploration of cosmic mysteries, and the pursuit of divine truths remains relevant in an age where humanity seeks to connect with its deeper spiritual roots. Conclusion. The Samhita texts from each Veda, with their hymns, prayers, and mantras, lay the foundation of Vedic wisdom. Through their poetic beauty, devotion, and exploration of cosmic and philosophical truths, these texts illuminate the spiritual and intellectual journey of ancient India. They stand as enduring reminders of the timeless quest for meaning, understanding, and connection with the divine.